YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Oh, where did this come from? This fall from the sky or something? No, of course not. No, this is another unboxing. So, what have we got inside of this box? Well, the description down there has grasped on me again. It is, of course, a 1980s Hoover Senior U4186. So, we're going to unbox this puppy now. So, let's ask myself a question. Why did I decide to get myself one of these? Well, basically, I needed a Senior to replace my 60 Senior, as this is replacing my 60 Senior. My 652A. Now look at it, it's going to a good friend of mine, so it's going to a good home. And basically I've been after a Senior to replace it, because I just can't do anything with it. So when I looked on eBay, I noticed very quickly there was this 80s Senior on there. £75, reasonable price if it's in good condition. From the pictures, I was quite impressed, and I bought it. Never had this particular one before. By the looks of it, it's been well packaged. Cardboard. Oh wow! I know what's in there. Okay, so first out the box, we've got the handle. Okay, not bad. There's a few scrapes and scratches here and there, but that's, you know, normal. Oh good, it's got the end cap. Now a few videos I've seen on YouTube, there's a lot of them missing the end cap, and that one has it, so that's great. So that's that. Nothing else in there, and the bottom one. Again, a few scratches, but not too bad. Ooh, that's a nasty one. So that was first out the box. Next we have a non-original bag. Getting hold of an original one of these is going to be a challenge, but it's the closest we can get to the real thing. This looks good. Bit annoying, but there we go. Right, what else we got? Brilliantly packaged, absolutely. Yeah, he's done a good job with this. This is quite big. This is big, and here we go. Oh, she's a big girl. There's nothing else in here. Okay, so here it is. This is the U4186. We finally have it. Check everything is working okay. Oh yes, that's good. Shabby, but there you go. Right, that can come off. Let's have a look under here. Not too bad. Bit dusty here and there. Quite dusty in fact. Okay, let's have a look underneath her. Wow. Oh, that's funny. I was under the impression that the domestics had the screw, because there's the whole screw there for that. And again, the screw holes for that, and this has actually got the quick release. So is this a later Senior, maybe a 1987 or an 86 or an 85, rather than an 81? Or has it got a chassis from a commercial? I can't see no dating sticker on it anywhere. That's annoying. So I won't know what its date is. That just comes out. Not too shabby. Belt's definitely on its way out. So good job we are replacing that. Oh yeah, that's welly stretched. We'll get that off. That just comes out like that. Ooh, okay. Right. So we'll give this a bit of a clean, I think, while we've got it out. Yeah, so I'm looking at it for now. I mean, as long as it works. It's not in mint condition, sadly. It is in used, but he did put on the. He did say it is in used condition. So I was expecting it to be a bit grubby here and there. Catching me a bit. I'm going to bleed in a minute. I just hope it works. It did say on the listing it works, but you know, got to find out first, don't you? You know. It's not too bad. I mean, I've seen worse vacuum cleaners. I have, so you know, it's not. Ooh. Okay. So, bit of history. Obviously, just to make myself correct, if I am correct, this should be a 1981 model. Apparently, it's an exclusive to Co-op because of its brown and cream, such as the like the U4186, and these were the very last design of Senior by Hoover in the UK. I think the last models were the Dust Cup and the Power Plus that came after this, and they lasted up to 1986 from what I've seen, maybe 7, but the commercials lasted a lot longer, apparently into the 90s. Same chassis. Same chassis. But yeah, these were the last. This is one of the last designed Seniors in the UK. Okay. Right, well, we've got a new belt for it here. Industrial looking thing. This is going to be fun. Let's have a look at this brush bar. Oh. I think what we're going to do is we're going to oil it ourselves. I know the seller said that he's oiled it himself, but I'll just give it a bit of a. No wrong with giving it a little bit of a. I knew that this would be in a bit of a. That's better. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. Ooh, that was some fun. Now I had to just re-oil it just in case it was a bit stiff, so I did have to. Right, the fun part starts now, so making sure it lines up, obviously. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Wow. Oh yeah. That's good. Okay. Without trying to cut myself, like, because this is metal. We don't want to really cut ourselves, do we? Okay, so this goes on like... Oh yeah, okay. And then quick release. There we go. That is now excellent. Now we're going to give it a bit of a sealing too. Unfortunately the scratches and that I can't actually get out, which is a shame. I suppose we could give it a bit of a... Yes. It's not much improved, but it's the best we can do there. Okay. Oh, I was on tight. I was tightening it. Go that way. I'm guessing it does. Yeah, so quite buzzing really that this is the one of the last seniors. Oh come on! One of the last designed seniors in the UK. This is quite something to me, that's quite some history. And from videos that I've seen, these are workhorses. Although not built like tanks, they still perform like tanks. Okay. That's how you put that one on. Okay, progress. Oh, isn't that supposed to move? All very. Oh well. Now the bag, which has already got one, and it's just a case of bringing it back. It's on. And there it is. Okay, my YouTubers, so as you saw, we unboxed this Hoover Senior U4186. We changed the belt, we gave it a clean, and yeah, so now it's time to see what it can do. So there we go, my YouTube friends, thanks for watching. Yes, I'm very impressed. The power, the sound, it sounds amazing. The power of it, it really did pick up the carpet. Really powerful, nice machine. And these are only 400 watt. You know, it's crazy the amount of power that they can give. But yeah, she's absolutely fantastic and she works absolutely well. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.